Right now we are just looking at one of the Indian thinkers called Govind Sadashiv Ghurye. Right? See what's mentioned in the syllabus. Only one word is mentioned there. Indology. What is Indology? Studying India from India's perspective, India's point of view. Right? So I'm going to look at those works of G.S. Ghurye which are part of his Indological tradition. Predominantly 5 of his works. What are these? Number 1, this was also his PhD thesis. This is going to be the first work with which we are going to start. Caste and Races in India. This was his PhD thesis. In 1932, this was published as a book. That thesis was published as a book. Okay. Number 2, this is Culture and Civilization. The name of the book is Culture and Society. (1939). Okay, that's the second work I'm looking at. Then Scheduled Tribes or Tribals as such. The whole tribal community I will be looking at. Clear? Scheduled Tribes. Number 4, Rural Urbanization. If you remember, what was the first essay that was written by G.S. Ghurye? The essay which got him scholarship to study in London. Bombay as an urban center. Clear? Urbanization as a topic has always intrigued me. Right? And then, number 5. National Unity and Integration. Practically these 5, Ghurye was overwhelmed by these 5. Again and again, various books. Say for example, on this one topic, National Unity and Integration, Ghurye would write 3 books.